Hello everyone, today I have the iQOO Charger 2.0 by Alphatech. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside of the box we get the camera, back panel stickers with a pin ejector, USB cable, lightning/micro USB cable, card reader, USB-C OTG adapter, and the user manual in English and Spanish. This hidden camera is super easy to use. There is no need to install any software or an app to start using it. Just insert a microSD card of up to 512GB, plug it in the power outlet, and you're done. A Wi-Fi network is not needed since all the videos are stored in the microSD card. On the back, it has a switch with the letters L and M. L is for loop recording. The camera will record all the time, and when the memory card is full, it will overwrite the old recordings to make space for the new ones. M is for motion detection. The camera will record only when it detects motion, saving you disk space and preventing you from watching recordings with no content. The iQOO Charger has no indicators, blinking lights, or anything that would make it obvious that there's a camera inside, and the panel stickers are used to hide the switch and microSD card, making it look like a normal charger. This awesome camera can be used in a variety of ways. On the wall, with an extension cord allowing you to place it at any angle, or with a power bank, which makes it look like you've just finished charging your power bank and recently unplugged it. Watching the videos recorded on a PC and MacBook is easy. Put the microSD card into the card reader. Connect the card reader to the USB-C OTG adapter. Connect it to the computer. Find the drive, open the video folder, and open the video you want to see. With Android, it's pretty much the same thing. However, with iPhone, you need a Lightning to USB OTG adapter. Install the VLC player from the App Store. Connect the card reader to the OTG adapter and to the iPhone. Open the VLC player app and you'll be able to open the video file in the app. Overall, the Alphatech iQOO Charger 2.0 has a lot of unique features and it's very easy to use. So check it out, you'll be glad you did. For the latest user guide, go to this website. Thank you for watching.